Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a syrup that I just used this morning with my waffles. It's 100% pure maple syrup by Maple Grove Farms. It is grade A amber color. It has a very rich taste. The size in particular is 8.5 ounces, 250 milliliters, and it is kosher. So I noticed when I was purchasing 100% maple syrups, a lot of them tasted almost like watery. They didn't have like a full flavor until I tried this one. I was really happy with it. I saw that they had this and then they had a sugar-free version, but I didn't really want to do the sugar-free because I feel like then it has like that fake diet taste and I'm not really into that. Of course, I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really make that call, but this is the reason that I decided to go with 100% pure maple syrup rather than the sugar-free one. It has a really easy top that just screws off, but of course you have to be very careful because when you're pouring it, because you don't want the whole thing to pour out. So you see the top there. It doesn't have one of those like spouts where there's just like a little hole, so you just have to be really mindful when pouring, so you don't want to end up pouring half the bottle on your waffles or pancakes or whatever you're eating. Comes in a glass bottle. Like you could see the consistency. It's not as thick as like say Mrs. Butterworth's or Aunt Jemima, but that's because it's all natural and 100% maple syrup. So it's just like a little bit thinner consistency, which is taking me a little bit to get used to, but I know that it's much healthier. I was used to the thickness of like the Aunt Jemima and stuff like that because that's what I grew up having. So it's glass, of course it's recyclable. The back here it says 100% pure maple syrup. Nutrition facts: serving size is a quarter cup or 60 milliliters. There are servings, 4 servings per jar. You only go through like a little bit at a time. Like this, like it was filled up to here, and this morning I used about like, well, I kind of used a lot. I went a little heavy on the syrup. I just used about this much this morning on my waffles, and we had 2 of them. But I think I go a little heavier on the syrup than most people. There are 210 calories in a serving. I think the serving suggestion they give you, you're not going to use that much unless you're eating like a whole stack of waffles or pancakes maybe, but you don't need a whole lot because it does have a lot of flavor. Total fat 0 grams, sodium 10 milligrams, potassium 170 milligrams, total carbs 53 grams. So there's a lot of carbs in there. And then sugars is 53 grams as well, but at least it's like all natural. You know, it's a once in a while treat. So I don't know if you guys eat pancakes and waffles every day. I don't. It's kind of like a special treat, so that makes me feel a little bit better about the amount of sugars and carbs in there. 0 grams of protein, 8% calcium, not a significant source of fat calories, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. It's a really pretty like golden brown color, a little darker than a honey, especially if you hold it up in the light. The copyright is 2015, Maple Grove Farms, a division of B&G Foods Incorporated, 1052 Portland Street, St. Johnsbury, Vermont. The best maple syrup is from Vermont, USA, and the website is www.maplegrove.com. No preservatives. Best by June 28th, 2020, so plenty of time. This refrigerated until I opened it. I had it in my pantry. Now that it's open, of course you have to refrigerate after opening. There's the barcode right there. Product of USA and Canada, and of course it has the weight again here on the back. 0.5 ounces, 250 milligrams. So I actually really love this because not only is it natural and preservative free, but because the taste, it gives you all the taste and flavor that you would get in like an Aunt Jemima, but it doesn't have like high fructose corn syrup, you know, anything like any kind of preservatives that those other cheaper brands have, although they're really good too. And like I said, they have that nice thick consistency. I just feel better about eating this, and I think that most people will too, especially if you're kind of watching, you know, what you're putting into your body, or if you're watching the amount of preservatives that your kids have in their foods. I think this is something that's better for children as well as adults. Found this in the grocery store, but you could easily order this online, which is just probably easier. So I think you guys will try this and you'll be really happy. Have it on your French toast, those pancakes, whatever you like. Hope you love it. This is Maple Grove Farms 100% pure maple syrup, grade A amber color with a rich taste. It's delicious. And I hope you guys found the video useful. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.